Good morning and welcome to another Fun Friday video from 303 Tech. I'm Clint Larson. Today we're going to be talking about your routers. Now routers come in all different shapes and sizes. Some of them are more aesthetically pleasing so that they can sit out in the open space in your house. Some of them are like this. They're just little boxes. They sit downstairs in the basement or in the closet in the office or wherever they're at. But one of the things that you need to think about was when was the last time that this little device was actually replaced? Last week, last month, last year, 5 years ago, 10 years ago. These devices are just like computers. I mean, they wear out. They need to be replaced. The speeds are increasing, technical parameters are changing, and so they need to be updated on a regular basis. So if you haven't actually taken a look and figured out when the last time was that you have replaced this device or upgraded it to a new device, you might want to take a look at that. Some of them have integrated Wi-Fi, which is great, but usually they don't have the best antennas, so they don't reach very far. So you might want to think about getting an add-on device called a wireless access point, or WAP. They help extend your Wi-Fi to greater ranges in your house or in your office, so that you can run Wi-Fi wherever you need to run it and get the speeds that you're looking to get out of them. So anyway, you might want to take a look or consider when was the last time that you replaced your modem or your router, whatever that you want to call it, and consider replacing it. Just get it upgraded so that it has the latest security features and can give you the speed that you're actually paying for. So anyway, you guys have a wonderful weekend, and remember, at 303 Tech, we like to keep you simply connected. Thank you.